Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Viv and today it's time for a giveaway. And I have the honor of having Dana from Days Crochet as a contributor. I'll show you. This is her channel, Days Crochet, and she has beautiful video tutorials. I love this crochet cosmetic bag. And let's see, you have to click here and subscribe. I am subscribed to her channel, but you can see this because I'm not logged in. So you have to click here and you have to click here and subscribe to my channel. And let's see what are the prizes for today. From Dana, Days Crochet, if you click here, so here, this is her Facebook, Ravelry, Etsy, Instagram, and this is her website. And if you click here, you'll find all her crochet patterns on Ravelry. Beautiful and many crochet patterns. And this is your prize for today giveaway. It's Queen Bee set. Oh, I love these colors. She's so cute. And you can win, so this is a set. You can win a crochet pattern for Cowl, for Fingerless Gloves and Earwarmers. So there will be 3 crochet patterns. And if you click here from my channel, here you have Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, Ravelry, this is Pinterest. Let's see, on my Ravelry you can win any 3 crochet patterns you like. Any 3. I don't have that many, but I hope you like my crochet patterns. And what you have to do to enter this giveaway. Let's see the rules. So, rule number 1. Subscribe to my channel, Creativ Anaviv. Subscribe to Days Crochet Channel, YouTube channel. I will put the link to her channel in the description box of this video. And you have to answer this question. What is your favorite crochet pattern from Days Crochet? So here, this is her Ravelry, and you can see all her crochet patterns and tell me which one is your favorite. She has also a website. Click here. This is her website. Okay. And you have to tell me in same comment, if you win, what patterns from my Ravelry shop you want to win. So just tell me, let's say colorful chunky bubble cowl, this one mixed media puff sweater, and another one family cowl. So 1 comment per person will count, only one, and there will be 3 winners. So 1 winner will receive this crochet pattern from this crochet. Let's see here. This set. So 1 winner will win this set and 3 of my crochet patterns, and next 2 winners will win 3 crochet patterns from my shop. And I'll show you now. So this is my YouTube channel and this is my Instagram here. Maybe you want to follow me. If you click here, you will find my website, and I have a free crochet pattern from the triple pom-pom scrunchie, and I will add more free crochet patterns here on my website, so stay tuned. And this crochet pattern comes with 3 options of yarn. You can make it with 3.5 millimeters crochet hook and sport yarn, or with 4 millimeters crochet hook and medium worsted yarn, or with 6 millimeters crochet hook and bulky yarn. And this is very easy to make, and you have here also, if you click on my videos, you can see all my videos here. You have also the tutorial for this one. Okay, and this is Days Crochet Instagram. Maybe you want to follow her. Beautiful. And you have to share this video with the giveaway. And your subscriber list on YouTube must be public, so I can see if you are a subscriber to my channel. And let's see, giveaway is open worldwide and it will be open until September 30th. I'll use YouTube comment picker to select the winners, and the winners will be announced in a YouTube video within 1 to 3 days from the end of the giveaway. So good luck everyone. I will put all the information here in the description box below, and I'll see you later. Bye!